respiratory system, if not handled carefully, mamaya dapat masahod kayo, no? Handa naman na doon. Hindi ako yan. Okay. Number 6, 7, 8, 9. So number 6, place all the bags or other things na hindi kailangan for laboratory. Saan ba maganda, no? Do we have an extra table? Wala. So, yeah, if you can gather them here, in front na lang, no? Para mas makikita ko din kung may CCTV dito. Para, of course, you won't attempt it because you love your classmates. Wow. O, tama. Ay, di ba? Wala. Matutunan nyo mahalin, batchmate ko yan.
Yes.
Okay. Also, ha? Oy, pero yung ano lang ay... Okay, alam nyo na yun. Walang klase mo sa klase yan. Okay. Also, before performing any experiment, please ensure that all the stools, the seat, no, the chairs are dito na lang sa corner na to. Feeling ko kasha dito. Kapag nandito tayo sa room na to. Dun sa night din, maluwag, no? Yes, ma'am. Also, the chemical reagents, once you have dispensed them from the containers, no, yung main containers that the central lab will dispense to you, please label them properly. So, naka-label ba siya? Yes. Ayan, madumi lang siya. So, huwag nyo susubit to, so madumi yung table. Ano pa ba? Also, the chemical reagents must have their own droppers, no? Or spoons, spatulas, no? If you want to change or to use one type of dropper only, pare, isa lang ay available na pipette nyo, clean and dry it first before using it to the other reagent that you will gagamitin nyo. Okay ba? Yes po. Okay, for this slide, do you have any questions? Even here? And here? Wala pa.
Iangat ko pa. Iangat mo yung sleeves ko.
Wala pa po. Okay, for 10, 11, and 12, it's more on these pills. Ay, hindi ka. Effort ko naman yan. Hindi ka.
Dagdagan pa natin.
So, kung merong chip, glasswares, broken glasswares, report it agad sa
Dagdagan pa ba
akin
natin?
para,
Isa pa.
or to sa lab tech
Habaan
natin,
mo.
on
Saan
duty sa
ba yan?
mga nasa central lab, para
Pwede.
ma-aligis sa
Dagdagan mo
agad
pa.
yung area.
Stand.
And also, may extra tayo kung paano natin i-handle yung glasswares na yun. Also, please keep your workstations clean. As I have said in our during our previous session,
Okay, go.
you should assign one who will supervise the cleanliness. Tama ba? Yes, sa inyo. And also the one who will be overseeing the inventory and then the reagents. Ayan. Ano pa yan? The procedure and the one who will document, no, the results. Yes. All, ito naman, waste handling naman. All the solid wastes, including litmus paper, matchsticks, zinc pellets, or any solid type of disposable materials, no? Meron tayong designated trash bin. Do we have it here? Wala, isa na lang nakita ko. But I believe I will, J.Ann, please do confirm. Sino mo ba kasama ng office? Parang nahiya na ako sa'yo magbukas. Rhea? Si Rhea agad? Si Dylan po. Si Dylan. Si Dylan naman. Dylan, please always check the room if you, or if we have been provided with another container for the solid wastes. Also, kung iniwalay nyo din yung acid waste and organic waste, do you ordinarily use gas? Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Yes, hindi naman sumabog. Wala ko. Wala ka.
I-retouch mo nga itong reverse tattoo ko.
But for me, please do separate na lang, no? The waste for acid waste, organic waste, and then the solid waste. para mas maingat tayo. Okay ba? Okay. Wala mga questions here? Wala na? Okay. Mamaya, sana okay, sige. Next slide, we have more on the etiquette, no? Natin sa laboratories. Update nila, di ba? Okay. So, pero bawal siyang gawin. Eating and drinking inside the laboratory are strictly prohibited. Okay? Ang papayagan ka lang siguro candy. Candy.
During lab or pwede po siya kapag during lab po.
Pag-discussion. Ha? Oh, pag-discussion. Nakapaka? Mamaya, mama. May matapon na tubig lang dun sa... dosage. Sa product na makita. Okay, playing and running during the experiment, no, inside the laboratory are also strictly prohibited. Even the yung malakas na shouting, no, rowdy yung feeling, yung behavior, no, it is discouraged here in our class, especially in the laboratory. Unless I'm asking you on to recite, doon lang kayo maglalakas talaga ng boses. Or if you have question, pag may question naman kayo during the experiment, you can approach me naman, no, personally. Dahil nandito lang naman ako or nag-iibot, hanapin nila ako. Sana makita na ako pag nakalagyon ako. Okay. Last is any accidents or unwanted behaviors or events, please report them to me. Also, pag may nambubuli dyan. Bakit ba? Okay. If there are any incidents that within our schedule, no? Please report them to me agad, immediately. I want to know if there are any issues that will affect my class, no, this class. Of course, I am concerned with everyone's safety and I want our class to be a safe space. So, yeah. Okay ba? Okay. Yun sila, pero hindi ko siya gagawin sa laboratory, ha? Saka hindi na kaya, to, more on other people. More on others.
Ang ganda. Hindi angat mo
Di ba
yung...
ba?
Angat ko. Hindi angat mo yung slip pa yan.
Ayan. So, lastly, thank you, Manda, for the signature.
Hey, that's my birthday.
Ayan. So, after reading again that part of the manual, please do sign with your name and then your signature. Also, put the date today. So, ako today. Okay? Also, when I ask you for the laboratory manuals, I expect during sa Friday, when I check them, those na Friday during our laboratory schedule, please prepare to present also your official receipt. I need to confirm if you really got those from Co-op. Right? Kasi ang alam ko ay doon lamang magbibigay. Okay, doon pa ng pag-iisang
Bultuhan po yung video.
full slide.
Kasi pag isa-isa,
Marami ko lang pwede isa. Buti pwede.
Opo, pwede. Meron na rin siya.
Lagay nyo na lang sa, i-take note nyo. Yeah. Make sure na tama yung bilang na. I-out natin. Okay ba?
Sana totoo
Do
na
you have
lang.
any more questions regarding this?
Ito parang legit.
This one? Or depende sa...
Hindi ko parang legit.
Depende sa experience.
Hindi ko parang legit. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
So, because you already have the printed procedures sa laboratory manuals, focus on that
Ano ba yan?
material. And then,
Wala pa.
phones, ang
Ay, wait lang.
makikita ko lang na may phone ay yung document.
Si Momo.
Okay, so at least one type of cellphone or camera per book. Okay? Kasi, in case madami yung gadgets nyo during the laboratory, I am not, or even your classmates are not liable to that. Is responsible for that. At sayang din naman, ang gaganda ng mga gadgets nyo. Panahon na, wala. Ay, hindi. May ano naman ano.
Dagdag pa.
Ano? May other reason.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Okay. Do you have any more
Ano pa pala
questions
sa
sa laboratory policies?
Di ba ang ganda kapag nakaganito? Parang
Okay, please make sure again you have the lab manuals na Friday. Okay,
Ano
next
maganda?
part.
Yung parang
And
word.
the last
Yung
part.
parang word lang.
Okay.
Hindi, ewan ko kay ikaw.
This
Minsan.
is
Gagawin ganda.
Ako pag nag-start na tayo, baka magbago pa. Ayan, anyway, let's talk about the product labeling and this class standard. So, ito, I got this from the more of a standard lang
Di ba ang
naman.
ganda nito? Isa pa dito.
Even when you compound it, it's not really. So, dapat ito, naka-end doon. So, you use a sticker paper na lang, no? And then for the final product,
Saan ba ilalagay dito?